It is very dark out there. Why is it so dark? I know that it's cloudy, but I don't think it should be that dark. It's cloudy, but I haven't gotten a single drop of rain. Ginger, don't go out there. Hey, stop barking. Hey, no barking. Venny. Smells like rain. Oh. It's cloudy out there, isn't it, Vanny? Oh, yep, it's raining over there. No, stupid. Ugh. No. I go out here. Nope. Hang on. Oh my gosh, well. Quality. Oh god. Hey, where are you going? Go get Ginger. Go get Ginger, okay? Oh, there you are, Ginger. Ginger, it's scary out there, isn't it? It's too dark. How do you bend your neck like that? They freaking bit me. I remember that. Come on, Vinny Bada Bean. Vinny, come on. Are you guys serious? Who is in my house? Okay, it might just be my pig. Vinny! Come on, Vinny. Oh, gosh. Oh. Well, earlier I tried to get you on the pillow, but now you just crawl up on there? Good job. Ginger, come here. Ginger. Call Ginger. Benny, call Ginger. Oh, she does not know how to listen. Ginger, last chance. Come on. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat, Finny? Come on, let's go get you guys a treat. Ginger, do you want a treat? Oh, yeah, now you're all excited. There you go. And there you go. You're supposed to grab it. Well, catch it, I mean. Ginger, gonna get your treat. Gonna get your treat. Oh, you know I can't go back there. Okay, I'll leave you alone.